Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing minimal essentials so you can act now. Open Excel and create a workbook or press Ctrl+N. Format key columns with Ctrl+1 to set number or date so calculations behave. Once done, enable filter and freeze panes so you can scroll while headers stay visible. Make sure to name the sheet and save as. XLSX or Auto Recover will be your fallback. This short prep avoids errors and lets you focus on building formulas and analyzes immediately. Now implement formulas in a repeatable, fast way. You type one formula, then use Ctrl+Enter to fill selection or Auto Fill to extend patterns. Press F4 to toggle absolute references so copying works without breakage. Use named ranges or table-structured references to make formulas readable and error-assistant. When matching data, prefer XLOOKUP or index/match combos for flexibility. Once complete, wrap complex logic in helper columns to simplify debugging and finish by validating and stabilizing your workbook so it's reliable. You add data validation and conditional formatting to flag bad inputs, then run evaluate formula to step through complex calculations and fix broken logic. Once done, create a version save or duplicate the file so you can revert. Use Excel's compare or track changes where available. If performance lags, convert ranges to tables, reduce volatile functions, and calculate manual while fixing. This single troubleshooting tip prevents most slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.